You thought me being a part of another group would slow me down? Say it with me, trusted advisors. Accounting salon! Accounting salon! Okay, that's enough. That's right, get ready to charge up your 10 key fingers because next week you're about to level up. So next week I fly into New Orleans for my first semi-annual accounting salon. Starting on Sunday, I'm going to start releasing daily videos of what's going to happen at the accounting salon because it's my first time. And I think it's extremely important for you to find out what's going on over there. Who knows? We may have major announcements, incredible applications sponsoring the event, or better yet, probably the Easter Bunny separating a fight over a 10 key. If anything, I fully expect to walk out with an amazing hairdo. Damn, I look hot.